we are back at the IIGJ Mumbai booth, and like every year, these are the graduating students, and and this year, let's understand from them what their project is.
This year's theme is India, the land of wonders. The two states that we have chosen are Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. We have tried showing a few techniques like laser cutting, meenakari and studded pieces.
Hi, I would like to take you through the second group. So the state which we have chosen is Orissa, and we have used techniques like meenakari, round brilliant cut and baguette shaped diamonds.
Hi, I'm from Group 3 and I'm representing my state as Delhi and Kerala, and this is a statement earring which is a front back earring. In this there's a laser cut and there's an enameling and this is diamond studded pieces.
हेलो, मैं ग्रुप 4 से हूँ और ये मेरा स्टेट उत्तर प्रदेश है, जिसमें से ये मैंने ताजमहल के ऊपर एक रिंग बनाया, जो स्टेटमेंट रिंग बनाया, जिसमें मैंने वाइट एनेमल, पर्ल एंड स्टडेड डायमंड्स का यूज़ किया है और ये ताजमहल के इनर डोम से इंस्पायर्ड है।
Hello, I am from Group 5 and my state is Rajasthan, and we've taken inspiration as blue pottery and we've designed this beautiful ring with a play of blue enamel, diamonds and cutwork.
Hi, I am from Group 6. Our inspiration is mask dance and it's from Arunachal, Pradesh. This piece is a bracelet with leather and onyx and coral.
So friends, Indian art and culture has always been such an inspiration, and these are our future designers who will be taking the Indian art globally. Yes!